Hey y'all, so I wanted to make a video on my headband wigs. A lot of people have been wanting just like a video of my wigs. People have been asking about my headband wigs and they want to know how to put them on. Now, as you can tell, I have my locks on, so I won't be using myself. I'll be using my mannequin. So let me go get my mannequin. Say hello to my mannequin. Okay, so literally, let me put her up. Y'all excuse the background. I know it's a lot of stuff going on, but yeah. But shout out to this lighting. This lighting is so amazing. Okay, so I'm using my mannequin. Let me put these little clips. Okay, so as you know I released I added headband wigs to my collection, and the wig that I will be showing you guys is my Brazilian headband wig. It's a 14-inch loose wave, 150% density, natural color. Now all wigs will come in this bag. It'll come in a clear plastic bag, and then you also get 2 additional complimentary wig bands. So yeah, so when you take it out of the bag, it's gonna come in a net like this. This is the loose wave texture right here, and then you're gonna take it out the net. You have this right here, and then so this is the wig right here. It has Jesus, it has 3 combs in it, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side, and sorry, one in the front. So it has 4 combs, actually, my bad. And then it has the adjustable band little piece right here. Okay, man. Okay, sis. So yeah, pretty much you have this little band right here, and you have 4 combs. Like I said, this is the loose wave texture, so I'm just going to show you the loose wave texture. This is the 14-inch loose wave texture. And then so this is pretty much how it goes. Just imagine this is a real head. Okay, so I just put this up, but it has to go back down so you guys can see it. So I'm going to undo this part right here, and pretty much it just goes on like this. Pretty much just goes on like this, and then you just clamp it. You just put the little elastic straps together underneath. So it goes on just like this. Boom. Boom. Now, this is a wig head, so it's kind of going on weird, but y'all get the gist of it. So, comes with the regular black headband. This is the texture right here of the loose wave. Again, she got 14-inch. Y'all, the hair is luxurious and it's shining. I know y'all see that. And then, so I'm gonna show you guys, because a lot of people was asking, well, you know, do we have to get that color headband? This, that, and other. No, sis, you can put any color headband you want to. It comes with 2 additional wig bands. So literally, you'll just put it over the wig band, and boom, 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 boom. Oh, baby, oh, baby, boom, boom. And that lights on well. Just pull this back a little bit. So yeah, it comes with 2 complimentary headbands. So you have this leopard one, and then you have this little nice little flower one as well. So I just wanted to do a little video on how you guys put this on. Like I said, this is the loose wave Brazilian texture. Y'all get this luster, get these curls, get this life. This is 14-inch, 150 density. So yes, I just want to put a video together for you guys just so y'all can see how convenient it is. And trust me, when I take these locks out, this is what I'm putting on. But anyway, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. Deuces.